Hello everyone, this is A. Mani Sharma, your favorite maths teacher, and in this video we shall solve question number 7 of exercise 6.5, topic triangles. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. If we write it mathematically, then it will be like, suppose if we are taking a rhombus ABCD, then we have to prove AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. Now let us see how we can solve this question. See here children, first of all, when we are solving this sum, we have to take into account two important things regarding rhombus. Regarding rhombus, what do you know? In a rhombus, first thing you should know is diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Bisect each other at right angles. And second thing you should know is all sides of a rhombus are equal. Now using these two properties, we shall solve the given sum. Now as per our first property, we know that O is a point where the diagonals AC and BD are meeting. At O we have right angle. Okay. Now consider triangle AOB. Consider triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, angle O is equal to 90 degree because AC and BD bisect each other at right angles. Okay. Next, let us see how we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. AO square plus OB square will be equal to AB square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now similarly, if you consider triangle AOD, then AO square plus OD square will be equal to AD square. Okay. Now again, if you go in triangle COD, then here it is similarly. Now if you consider triangle COD, then CO square plus OD square will give you CD square. Then if you consider triangle BOC, you will get OB square plus OC square or CO square, whatever you can say, equal to BC square. Now we have four equations here. Now see children, we have four equations. So in these four equations, if you see, we have two AO square, then two BO squares, two CO squares and two DO squares. So we can write, if we add all this, adding equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. What we will be getting? We will get 2 AO square, 2 BO square, 2 CO square and 2 DO square. And that will be equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. So this is what we will get. Now children, try to understand here. Let's see here, if you are considering AO and OC and BO and OD, you should know that BO is nothing but BD by 2 because the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. That means your BD and your AC, BD and AC, they are bisecting each other at right angles. That means BO is nothing but BD by 2. So we shall use it here. So AO, BO, CO and DO. You should know what is the thing we have to write here. See here. AO is half of AC. So this will be AC by 2 whole square plus BO, that will be BD by 2 whole square. Then CO, that is again AC by 2 whole square. And DO is again BD by 2 whole square. And this is equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. Now see what we are going to get. Now see 2 into AC square by 2 means how much it will be? AC square by 4. So we will write 2 into AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4 plus again AC square by 4 plus again BD square by 4 will be equal to how much? AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. Now children, see here you have 2 AC square and 2 BD square in the LHS. So you can write 2 AC square plus 2 BD square by how much? 4. This is equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. Okay. Now see, here you can cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again if you take out 2 common here, you will get 2 into AC square plus BD square upon 2. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled here itself, and you will get AC square plus BD square equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. Hence root.